What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, man. We got our paperwork here for the Acura. We still haven't picked up the Honda yet. If you haven't already, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you like auction content. Check my previous videos out of me buying the Honda and the Acura. We about to go see what this Acura driving like. I'll catch you guys when I get there. All right, guys, here's the Acura here. So hopefully this opens. It doesn't. That's crazy. Man, how do they expect you to get your car if the box don't open? We gotta have somebody open the key for us. We'll be right back. Alrighty, guys, we finally got the keys. This bad boy cranks right up. Let's see what this boy is driving like. Put this boy, turn this off. Got 185,000 miles on it. Gotta get this bad boy on the road. See what we got. Gotta see how to get up out of here. I think it's this way, right here. Yeah, here we go, right here. All right, guys, we are out of the gate. Let's see what this guy does. This boy's shifting good, guys. It says do not enter. Let's see. Oh man, I don't even have no plate on this guy. Just need to make it to the front of the building. But yeah, guys, this bad boy is nice, man. It's shifting good and everything so far. Yeah, man, I like this one. I paid $21.25. You guys seen it. 185,000 miles on it. 2003 Acura Rsx. I'm gonna see if we can get about 28 to 3 grand for it. Let's go ahead and do this U-turn right here. Alright, busting the U-turn. Let's go ahead and step on it, give it some gas. Guys, this bad boy rides good, man. This bad boy drives like a dream. We're gonna go ahead and get it on the highway. Let me go ahead and put my tag on real quick, and then we're gonna see if we can get some highway action. All right, guys, we riding, but because of traffic, there won't be any expressways. But I do hear a suspension noise, like I think coming from the right side. So I spoke too soon. There is a little suspension noise that I hear. It's not too bad, but I do hear it. So when I get it to the house, I'm going to go ahead and see what that is, see if it's something simple that we can fix, and we'll just go from there. So yeah, guys, but other than that, the car is driving fine. I didn't see this cracked windshield either, so again, that's not that bad, but I didn't see it. I just didn't notice that. The AC is blowing cold though, and everything. So try to see if I can get a little pickup after this traffic dies down. There's a lot of traffic here, guys. We're like in rush hour, so when I get some time, I'm gonna go ahead and hit the gas. But in between time, we gotta go ahead and take it slow. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you guys, man, from the last video, the last two cars that I wanted, the Nissan Altima, that bad boy sold for $1,500, and the Toyota Corolla that I was looking at, that bad boy sold for $1,600. So the $1,500 Nissan Altima sold for $17,000 out the door, which I think was just way too much. You know, I had one before with 120-something thousand miles on it, and it was hard for me to even get $2 grand. And as far as the Corolla, I mean, it was all right. So that was like $18,000 out the door. That one was pretty all right. It did have a check engine light though, but that one was all right. But you guys let me know what you guys think. And like I said, I paid $21.25 out the door for this one. So you guys let me know what you guys think. make sure you let me know in the comments below. Alright guys, I have a little room to floor it, so let's go ahead and see what this bad boy got. Man, this guy drives good, guys. Let's go ahead and check out the outside of this boy. Alright guys, we finally made it back to the house. Got to get this stuff off the window here. Let's go ahead and check out this car, man. There's the Malibu there. Go ahead and check out this car right here. Looks good. Just got to figure out what's going on over there with that that wheel. It's definitely on this side, so got to see what's going on there. But let's go ahead and check it out on the inside. Nice and clean. I really don't have to do too much to it. Vacuum it just a little bit, honestly, and that's it. I didn't even pop the back. Let's see. So we got a lot of room here in the back. So yeah, guys, this would actually be good for me, but we're gonna go ahead and sell this one as well. But let's go ahead and see what's going on with that wheel over there. See if we can figure that out. That's the only thing about this car, just a little wheel noise. So we're about to go see what that's about. Let me go ahead and get the jack. All right guys, we got the jack. Let's see if we can see what that noise is coming from. See the shock here. Might be the shock there. The wheel is the wheel seems straight. Let's look at that shock on the other side. See, yeah, it's just a little tore off right there. All right guys, we got it on the jack. Got the little rubber boot right there missing off of the shock. Tire rod is a little shot. Let's see if we can move the wheel. Nah. I'm hearing like a little thumping noise. I'm not sure what it is, guys. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I can fix stuff, but I'm not the best at diagnosing it all the time. So I'm not even gonna sit here and lie. But everything looks good. Let me see that see if that little rod right there. I see the control arm bushings. Those look all right. I'm not sure what that noise is, guys. All right, guys. But you guys let me know what you think, though. $2,125. Got me a 2003 Acura Rsx. We will be picking up the Hyundai Sonata tomorrow. So I'm gonna dig more deep into this, see if I can find out what the problem is. In the meantime, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about this purchase today. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.